students. Now the today start the topic is trigonometric ratio and identities. Okay. Now the topic is trigonometric ratio and okay. Now there are 6 type of the trigonometric ratio. There are 6 type of the trigonometric ratio. The first is the sin A, and the second is cos A. Now the third is tan A, and the fourth is cot A. Fifth part is sec A, and the sixth part is cosec A. Okay. Now the sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and the cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base, and the cot A is equal to base upon perpendicular, and sec A is equal to hypotenuse upon base, and the cosec A is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. The all condition are related to right angle triangle. Right angle. Okay, now the A is the right angle, and the B and the C. Okay, now the suppose is the angle A. Suppose is the angle A, and just opposite to side is the perpendicular, and the related side is base, and the given part is the hypotenuse, opposite to right angle triangle. Now the sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos A is base upon hypotenuse, tan A is perpendicular upon base, and tan A cot A is base upon perpendicular, sec A is hypotenuse upon base, and cosec A is the hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now we can say that given part is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is the reciprocal of the hypotenuse of the perpendicular. Okay, P upon H, reciprocal is H by P. Now we can say that sin A is the reciprocal of the cosec A. Now the new formula is sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec. The new formula is sin A equal to 1 by cosec. Now the second is cos A is equal to 1 by sec. Now the third one is tan A is equal to 1 upon. Okay. So sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A, cos A equal to 1 by sec A, tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Now the cross multiply is sin A is the multiply of cosec A is equal to 1, cos A into sec A is equal to 1. Now the tan A, cot A is equal to 1. Understood? So sin A into cosec A equal to 1. Okay, cos A into sec A equal to 1, tan A into cot A equal to 1. Okay, now the again is sin A equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos A equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan A equal to perpendicular upon base, cot A equal to base upon perpendicular, and sec A equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, cosec A equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay, now the next part is trigonometric identity. Okay. Now the next part. There are 3 types of identity. The first part is the sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. The first part is sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. The second part is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square. Okay, and now the third part is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square. There are 3 types of the identities. Okay, now the most important question for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Okay, some type of the question. The first part is cos to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square. The most important question in IIT. The given question is come to 2013, 2019 and 2022. Okay, so cos to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4a. Now the given part is the LHS. Now the LHS is cos to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4a. So we can say that cos square a whole square plus sine square a whole square. Now the a square plus b square. Okay, students, a square plus b square is the a plus b का whole square minus 2ab. So cos square a plus sine square a equal to 1. 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square a. So cos to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square a. And next question is cos to the power 6a plus sine to the power 6a. The next question is cos to the power 6a plus sine to the power 6a is equal to 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square. The next question is cos to the power 6a plus sine to the power 6a is equal to 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. Now we can say that cos square a whole cube plus sine square a whole cube. It means a cube plus b cube. Okay. Now the a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus. Okay, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. So now the value of a cos square a plus sine square a का whole cube minus 3ab 3 sine square a cos square a sine square a plus cos square a. तो sine square a plus cos square a कितना 1. तो 1 का क्यूब 1 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. Now the formula. Now the two important formula is cos to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square a, and the cos to the power 6a plus sine to the power 6a is equal to 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. Now the given problem come to in question in IIT JEE. Okay, now the question is f of kx cos to the power kx plus sine to the power kx. One question is 2013, 2019 and 2022. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन क्या है f of kx is the sine to the power kx plus cos to the power kx. Now to find out the value of 3 f4x minus 2 f6x. The find out the value of 3 f4x minus 2 f6x. So f4x, now the compare f4x is equal to cos to the power 4x plus sine to the power 4x. Now the f6x is equal to cos to the power 6x plus sine to the power 6x. Now the put the value of the given condition. Now put the value of the given condition 3f4x. Okay, now the 3f4x means f4x is cos to the power 4x plus sine to the power 4x minus 2 f6x sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x. Okay, all the students. So the value of the cos to the power 4x plus sin to the power 4x is means given is 3, 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x, and the minus 2 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Now the multiply of 3 to the 6 minus 2 minus minus plus, so given part is the cancel out. Now the final result is 1. The most important question in IIT cos to the power kx plus sin to the power kx. Find the value of the 3f4x minus 2f6x. Okay, now the compare k equal to 4, put k equal to 4, k equal to 6, k equal to 6. Now the 3f4x, f4x minus 2f6x. The formula of cos to the power 4x plus sin to the power 4x is 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. And sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x is 1 minus 3 sin square x and cos square x. Okay, now the formula is 3 to the 6, ये वाला part, and the given, now the cancel out, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay, all the students, thank you. Okay.